Piazza Navona is one of the most famous and arguably the most beautiful of Rome's many squares. The large and lively square features no less than 3 magnificent fountains and a host of Baroque architecture. It was built on the site of the Stadium of Domitian, built by Emperor Domitian in 85 AD, and follows the form of the open space of the stadium. The most impressive and largest fountain is the Fontana dei Quattro Fiumi, Fountain of the Four Rivers, which was designed by Gian Lorenzo Bernini in 1651. The fountain symbolizes the 4 major rivers of the 4 continents where papal authority had spread, the Nile representing Africa, the Danube representing Europe, the Ganges representing Asia, and the Rio de la Plata representing the Americas. On the northern end of the piazza is the Fontana del Moro with a basin and 4 Tritons sculpted by Giacomo della Porta, 1575, to which, in 1673, Bernini added a statue of a Moor, or African, hence the name of the fountain, wrestling with a dolphin. At the southern end is the Fontana del Nettuno, 1574, a fountain designed by Giacomo della Porta that was completed by Bernini and others. In addition to the fountains, Piazza Navona contains the impressive church of Sant'Agnes in Agone, which was designed in part by Francesco Borromini, Bernini's rival. The church was named after Saint Agnes, who is said to have been martyred on this very spot. Piazza Navona is not only a feast for the eyes due to its art and architecture, it is also a vibrant area of the city with many outdoor cafes, restaurants, and seasonal fairs, including a Christmas market. It's a popular spot for both tourists and locals to stroll and enjoy the atmosphere.